Jotana Khulumo, they Jotana Balino Kaisa Kolomo, Khwna 18 July 2026, Astable Ground, Sir Sonam Wangchuk ni support Kaisa Candlelight Vigil Kaizana Tangai Tongo, Joint Action Committee by Conduct Kaizak, or Candlelight Vigil, Chung Jotto, the Brasser of Hai, Chini support, Chini India ni one of the greatest scientist, environmentalist, educational reformer, Sir Sonam Wangchuk ni support chung Khwlainai chini candlelight vigil iphaisin pe abo just Sir Sonam Wangchuk ni support shimiya abo chini democracy ni support abo tamne hinke je situation nukjagai tongkha abo beleno one ama singsa beleno kirima singsa tamne hinba khoroksa international figure khoroksa influential borok asuk sal romoi tini bai ango videos namoi tongmani o jora bai bini 19 din 19 days ka khabino go mai polsa kalaya ko haipano government ni behavior no nai government ni attitude nai de government phai kono khoj khobor na haria haisa kok sapaya belaino wana ma singsa belaino kirima singsa bo khana hai jorawa tumung chini logi mungsa chaya angkha tai chung justice ni bagai chung thangai demand khai kya ke chini logi te bo hanyang nai o attitude obo tolerate khaijang nai ya tini chung khorang ti shega khana chung obo face khana na even chini logi belaino hanyang nai abo ni bagai jotto tibrasa lukurok no obo no kobor pung khana chung jotto no kuno political party hinyawoi chung stable ground no chung khana candlelight vigil khainai no tai chini support chung Khwlainai no Sir Sonam Wangchuk ni Jai Hind Jai Bharat Thambai